Do you feel like no matter how hard you try, there's never enough money left at the end of the month? You're not alone. But the truth is, even on a low income, you can take control of your money if you learn how to budget the right way. In this video, I'll show you how to budget step by step, even if you're starting with almost nothing. Why budgeting matters. Most people think budgeting is about restriction, but it's actually about freedom. Budgeting gives you control over every rand you earn. It helps you avoid debt, reduce stress, and even start saving, even if your income is small. Step-by-step budgeting plan. Step 1. Know your income. Write down all your sources of income. Be honest. This includes your salary, any government grants, child support, or side hustle income. This is your starting point. Step 2. Track your expenses. Look at the last 1 to 2 months of your spending. Write down every cent you spent, from groceries to airtime to takeaways. Use a notebook, an app, or even a spreadsheet. Step 3. Categorize spending, needs versus wants. Split your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essential, things like rent, electricity, and food. Wants are nice to haves, but not necessary. Step 4. Use the 50-30-20 rule, or adjusted. If you can, follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt repayment, but on a low income, adjust it to your reality, maybe 70-20-10. The key is being intentional. Step 5. Set limits and stick to them. Now give each category a limit. Once the money for that category is gone, stop spending. Try using cash envelopes or a budgeting app to help with discipline. Tips for success on a low income. Cook meals at home instead of buying takeaways. Use public transport or carpool when possible. Buy groceries in bulk and avoid buying on credit. Find small ways to increase your income. Even a few hundred rand a month helps. Budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. The first step to financial freedom starts with knowing where your money goes. So grab a pen, make your first budget, and take control. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more practical money tips. Drop a comment. What's the biggest struggle in your budget right now? Let's talk about it.